I turned on my cell phone, turned on the magnetometers using from the App Store. It's free. I don't know if you can see that. Get in here nice and tight. You can see the traces.
Yeah, from here.
Now, if I pass a magnet near the back of the phone,
Not too close. You'll uncalibrate your phone.
you can see the magnetometers going crazy.
Yeah, don't get too close. You'll polarize your magnetometers in your phone, and you got.
Okay, now the magnet is far away. Those lines have settled down. Now I want to check the rocks on the side of this mine trench. I want to see if they become magnetic when I put this on them. The reason being they might become magnetic because there's going to be iron in them. Highly mineralized iron is pretty much number one on the mineralization list. So we're going to try that rock right there. That's all you got to do is touch the rock.
Hold it for a few seconds.
For a millisecond. And then take your phone. Move your phone in a circle around that spot. Figure 8, whatever.
Yeah, just if you see any movement in your
And we
lines.
got nothing.
Yeah, I got it.
So, since that rock test has nothing, we're going to mark that rock with some yellow paint. Now then, we've got a rock up here. We're going to check it. We're going to check that part of the rock this time. As you can see, we've already checked that part. Now, I don't know if you can see this.
A little.
Just a little.
Yeah, you gotta point it at me. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to tell with the reflection. Every once in a while I can see it.
This you expand the screen.
I can't see where you are. Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Yeah, you were scaled way up and it wasn't.
There.
Yeah, so you just have to scale up so you can see the
Now you can see.
Now you really see it, yeah. There. Yeah, now you see it real good.
If I
got it.
move the phone up to the rock. There.
Yeah, it's you can see the X and the Y.
Good reaction.
Yeah, you see the
Move
two
it away,
fields.
another reaction.
Yeah, it goes back.
It only reacts while you're moving the phone. Okay. So let's try this rock. You're gonna let it settle. Take the phone away. Look at that. Big reaction.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna put the phone up on that rock. Let the signal settle. Pull it away. Another big reaction.
Yeah.
Do it on
something that shouldn't have any.
do it on the yellow rock with. Take it away.
See,
No reaction.
No change. Okay, yeah. I can't really see. There we go. Okay, yeah.
Cell phone, magnet, iron in the rock, gold rides a horse of iron, as the old timers say. Now pan back, look down to the left. You can see we've already done a few rocks. We know where the gold is. We know where it isn't. And we've done this so many times that we can look at the rock and go, that's a light colored, very hard, very angular rock. No, not gold ore. And then we come up to one of these, we go, well, that's very layered, it's soft, it's got stripes of, come around over here. It's got quartz crystals in it, up here with my finger.
Yeah.
It's got quartz crystals in it, and it's striped all throughout the rock. And you can see in between the quartz layering, there's highly mineralized rock in layers like a book. Very likely has gold in it. Good luck. Stay safe out there.